You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is a name indeed. There are other videos that says it's pronounced Padme. I guess if you're trying to say short for pardon me, then it'd be Padme. Now, if it's the Star Wars character name or just the given name, which usually has an accent on the E, it's pronounced Padme. 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 It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.